So, how many gas can covers did we need?
6 diesel ones.
And how many do we have?
6.
How many did you try to make me make?
I didn't realise you'd made some others.
So, how many would you try to make me make?
Another 3.
Y'all ignore me. I need a shower, but I wanted to get this sewing done first. And I know it's loud, but the generator is going because the bad weather has arrived, and it's not fully arrived, but it is now like very cloudy and cold outside. Anyway, I did do something today. Steven only did exactly what you just saw him do, and then put those gas can covers on. I made 3 of them already. 3 is all I needed because we already had 3. So now we have 6. Anyway, let's have a look. That's the old gas can covers that were all tore up. That's some of the new ones I made. What did you do? I totally missed getting it on video, but he went out there and he sat down because he can't like bend over or squat down because it hurts real bad. So he has to sit down and do stuff. Anyway, back stuff. Anyway, but he set the fuel can covers down, the new ones, to take an old one off, and they just started blowing off, and he was panicking. The fuel can covers that I made a couple years ago out of the cheap fabric have literally shredded. Those are not holes that are supposed to be there. This one's in better shape, but not much better. There we go. All done. They're not pretty. Harbor Patrol's out, checking people out. So what's the plan with this? That one's even... We can't even reuse that for nothing.
No.
Alright.
The material wasn't UV protected, and
it was cheap